I see a lot of questions out there asking about the temperature of the wax pot. What should it be set at? Right now, I currently have it set at about 129 to 131. It keeps going back and forth. And this is the texture that you get and the texture that you are looking for when you're waxing. You want to be able to scoop the wax and have complete control over it. This is how you can tell your wax is ready to be used. If your wax is runny and you cannot have this control, you do not want to use it. You can burn yourself. So I would say set your wax pot about 129 to 131 for the perfect temperature. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Don't forget to download the WaxPal app for more tips and tricks on waxing with Tress Wellness. Head on over to Amazon today to purchase your wax pot.